Hello, what's up, Internet? This is Coach Can again of the Superbike-Coach Corporation, and today another episode of Will It Change? We're using the Rabaconda tire changer this time on my 2022 KTM 450 SMR Supermoto. This thing is badass and I love it. So just to let you know, I love supermotos because it's just they're so much harder, easier to handle on small tracks and especially supermoto tracks. And what you learn there is all about mid-turn aggression and stuff. So if you ever have the chance or want to go into motorsports, supermoto it is. So this thing here is modded all over the place. It's got a full titanium exhaust on it and all aluminum and titanium bolts wherever you can see. I'm still not done with it, and but every time I'm doing something on it, like today, I'm getting those wheels out, so I have access to the rear brake where I can swap some titanium stuff. These are going into the brake here. Those are studs. They're going in there. So now I have the chance to swap these. And then later on, I also will swap those big bolts down here in titanium and all stuff like that. So I got the weight down. This thing is already pretty light, pretty lightweight. But I got the weight down with aluminum and titanium bolts by another 7 pounds, and that is a lot. So and you can feel the difference on the track right away, especially when you're on the faster side already. So let's grab that tire changer out and see how that works on a supermoto, huh? Ka-ching! There's the front wheel out. And the Rabaconda tire stander is up. My tools are ready to go, and now I'm ready to let the air out. By this way, if you don't have these 90-degree angled valves, then it's time to put them on once you have the tire off. That's easy done. The advantage is that you always have nicely access to your to check the air here. That makes things way easier and less dirty too. So let's get that air out and that tire off that rim. There it is. Can't be much air in there because I used to run very low tire pressures on the supermoto on the track. I get my tires hotter because I'm on the faster side, I guess, slightly. The faster you are, well, that's a thumb rule. You can say the faster you are with them, the hotter they get. That means air extends under heat, and so the tire would burn through pretty quick. Having the right tire pressure is key to be really fast, and not wearing those tires overly out. That's the point. So let's get it up there, and this time I guess I have to use to lock that wheel to the Rabaconda tire changer with a strap. This time I can't use, or I don't want to use, those rim locks, or however you call it. Damn, I missed Dean here. He helps me with my English right there. Because I don't want to destroy those spokes right there. Let's get done. Okay, before I grab on here, I of course have to break the tire off the rim. Let's see how easy or hard this can go. I'm a little bit worried about my tire rim stick, my rim stickers here. Let's see if I can make this work without giving them any damage. So let's see. I think I gotta change the position here a little bit further down. There you go. I gotta go further down, even a little bit more. Come on. That should be it. There it is. That wasn't so hard. I don't have a single scratch on these rims, so I'm a little nervous about it. But my experience so far with that Rabaconda tire changer is that's actually very smooth. So till now we didn't do any damage to any of our rims. That's a good thing, huh? Let's break the other side. There it is, man. When I remember using those cheap tire changers, DIY tire changers off from eBay, man, that was a whole lot of workout. This tire is ready to go. Hey, let's give me a break. So now it's time to put that strip on instead of those rim locks. The plan is to put it around here. Oh well, gotta do it this way so it's not in the way of the ratchet going around. Eh. That should do the job right there. Now I'll put this adapter on. I guess I kind of don't even need it right there, but I leave it on. So here's that wonderful thing, the ratchet going around. It's up right here. Yeah, I think I have to leave this away for now. So it's going in there. Oh, it actually does. Okay. See how far we come here. There's a thing I gotta go. There it is. There it is. Okay. Now I want to have it in a position where I'm sure it doesn't. That looks really tight to the. It should actually go over my rim stickers there. So let's see. But before I do that, I'm gonna grease it a little bit. All right, so I greased it a little bit, and that should make that job easier. Now I lift my tire iron underneath the tire. with some space here, and it actually should come. Wow, look how easy this is now. You might remember the first video we did together with Dean, and how we had a little harder time, figuring this all out. See how much easier this is now, doing this now like 3-4 times, and then how much easier everything becomes. Till now, even including taking my wheel out, it took me about 10 minutes now. So let's see how it goes. So I'm now ready for my ratchet here. Still a little bit worried about my tire rim stickers. So let's see how it goes. My strap is tight. Ching. Ha! Man. It's almost too easy right now. All right. So now I'm doing the same with the back side of the tire. Should come off even easier. I'll lift this up here. I'm looking for my tire there. There it is. Under the hook. Round 2. Ratchet up. Bing. It's so fucking easy. I mean, wow. Look at that. See you later. So I'm ready now to put that front tire on that rim. Important that this is the balancing indicator that goes where the valve stem is, right there. And also the rotating direction. The wheel runs this way, so we gotta turn this one around. Should be pretty easy, so let's get it done. So I'm gonna grease the tire. Check the rotation again once more. So I gotta go. Rotation is this way. I gotta turn this one over. Here's my dot. Goes right there, but I can move this around later. Again, it should come on easy. There it is, right there. Boom, boom. So now I'm checking. My balancing is right there. Here's my valve stem. Boom. All right. So the wonderful thing with Supermoto tires is wheels. You don't actually have to balance them. So I don't put any balance weights on it. I can save the weight, and I don't add those tire beats I showed you last time. The reason is that with a Supermoto, you barely make like 60, 70 miles an hour on a Supermoto track. So it's not necessary to do. So let's save that work. So now I'm putting my ratchet back on. Readjust it, I guess. Lift up that tire. Push that in there. There it is. So yeah, my rim stickers are just fine. Till now, I didn't hurt them. So let's keep going this way. My strap is still on. But I guess I need one of those clamps as a helper because I'm doing this alone again. And I need one of those. One of these here. So so that holds the tire down, and I can easily run that ratchet. But let's see how it goes. All right. Gee, woo! Yeah, I need one of those clamps. All right, let's do this. Here goes. I should not put it where my tire sticker is. Right there. All right, that should do the job. It's a little bit in an unlucky place right now, but I'll make it work. Bang! There it is. Ha! Good tools from Rabaconda right there. So when you order your street tire changer, make sure you have one of these coming along with it, and that makes the whole thing way easy, especially when you work alone. Boom, my tire's on. All it takes now is put air on. But I want to check first. I want to check if my balance indicator is still where it's supposed to be at the valve. So let's remove that strap. There it is. This comes off. That comes off. And of course it's not. It kind of spun away, but it's not very far away. Maybe I can turn it on the rim a little bit and see if I can fix that. All right, my valve stem is back in. I'm adding air. Oh, man. See if it sits right. My weight balance indicator is still in the right place. So I actually could turn the rim in the tire to the right place. That was easy. Make sure you do this right. All right, so tire sitting well. I'm adding a little more. Let's get it up to 34 now. Ooh, I'm on 40 right now. It doesn't matter because I used to have it down like 25 on the front, but depending on the heat on the track or the day, I'm at I'm about down to 18 pounds on the rear. Yeah. So this is a great opportunity to clean your rim, especially when you have spoke wheels. That's always kind of a stupid job, but take your time with it, you know, and have it nice and shiny, and it always looks brand new. I mean, look at this. Now also take advantage of the situation and clean my caliper, check on the brakes and all that stuff. So this will be all cleaned up, and I'm using WD-40 for that job. That's pretty much the best stuff you can use for that kind of stuff. The engine looks pretty clean still, so that's all good. Let's get it done. All right, so moved on to the rear wheel. My air is out already, and I'm ready to go. Yep. There you go. 1, 2. I guess I have to reset this because the other wheel, the front wheel, is a 16.5. This is a 17-inch wheel. Shouldn't be a big problem. That's it. Of course, not far away. Get a little higher. I think that's about right. And here we go. Ha! Ah! First time. Man. Look at that. Sweet, man. Turning it around. Oh, the other man. The other spacer stuck. Man. See? I mean, look at that. I mean, you saw now, what, how many videos? We struggled at the beginning, and now how much easier it is. And I put this on kind of muscle memories. Anyway, so that was super easy. I wonder, well, I should. They're the same. Okay, so now I'm turning it this way around because the little brake rotor gives me a little bit more space here for my hook and the tire iron and stuff. So that goes back in. That sits right. Now I'll put my strap on. Where is it? There. That went pretty well with that strap. Oh, I'm thinking of it the wrong way. Put it that way. That way. Oh, wrong side, of course. Ah, come on. That can't go anywhere. We're good. We're good to go. This is where my ratchet goes. There you go. That looks about right. Get out a little further out, maybe it comes. Yeah, should do the job. Alright, lift my tire iron. Lift that tire over the ratchet. Give it some space. That's kind of the stuff we forgot or we did wrong last time. There it is. Woo! I don't need this yet. Wow. I mean, how can I possibly demonstrate better how easy this is, how good this thing is? Let's do the other side. Right there, it's good. Tire. There it is. Boom. Zinga. Unreal. Here it goes. Yeah, I think I did this wrong with that camera here, but hey, I'm doing this all alone, huh? All my rear tires on. It's all set and done. And now we can put that airbag on and put it back in the bike after cleaning that swing arm, because that's a great opportunity to do that. WD-40 is a friend right there. All right, so job is done. Rabaconda helped again. So here is the whole lot of Supermoto. Tires are on. I also swapped some titanium parts I showed you before. I also swapped these big guys here into titanium. And these engine mounts there, I didn't trust those aluminum bolts, even though they were 8mm strong. But yeah, I think this here is more lasting. Titanium is almost as strong as steel. It's just about 40% lighter. That's amazing. It's all titanium, as you can see. I'm still not done. Still working on stuff, but that's the fun part of it. Be never done. Because where to go when you're there, right? So, I can't wait to go back on the track with this thing, having some fun with my team there, and enjoying ourselves. So, Rabaconda, once more, good job. It'll change on KTM Supermoto wheels, so I guess on all the other Supermoto wheels as well. It would be a little bit more struggle if this thing would have tubes, which the older Supermotos have. This one doesn't. I'm happy about that. So, yeah, this is Coach Ken, Superbike Coach. Come see our classes, especially the cornering school. It's just a blast. We just done our wheelie course last Sunday, and the knee down course. Like, listen, 17 over 24 made it. Yeah, that's quite a percentage right there. People doing years and years of track days, done other schools, etc., racing schools, and still don't get that damn knee down. 17 over 24. That's not even our highest rating. This is almost like the average we have. So come check us out, Superbike Coach. Take care.